You're working on a construction site. You're on a fixed ladder at the site. You fall from the ladder and you get hurt. What do? My name is Brett Zekowski, and I'm an attorney and a partner at Parker Waichman. Let me share with you a case I handled a while back involving an accident just like this. This was a construction site. There are certain rules and regulations that every general contractor or construction manager is required to follow. And in this case, we were able to show that a straight fixed ladder that is clearly shown in this piece of exhibit from the trial was dangerous. It was unsafe. And why were we able to do that? We were able to go back to the original plans for this particular location and able to show that this ladder was supposed to have a protective cage wrapped around it. So the thing that happened to my client, falling off this ladder, should never have happened. If you have questions, we can answer them. Give us a call here, Parker Waichman. Again, my name is Brett Zekowski. Thank you.